This is Sierra and the family, and today we are at the airport, as you guys can already tell, and that is because today we are going to our next city. We're going to Guangzhou, which is where the United States consulate is, and that's where we're going to get little man's visa to enter the United States and then go home with us. Right now we have a couple of hours until our flight. We got some lunch. Well, we have breakfast at the hotel this morning, and we'll probably have some lunch before we leave. We also have some snacks for the little man for the plane. And then after that, I think the flight is just a couple of hours. And then after that, we are going to go to the hotel and probably order dinner. Really, really exciting day, right? Who's that? Ah, yay! Hello. Hey again. So what I wanted to mention that I forgot to is that this is, well, I mean, we don't actually know for sure, there's no way we can know, but theoretically this is little man's first ever airplane. So that being said, don't worry, we brought lots of snacks for him to chew on during takeoff and landing, but it should be interesting to see what he thinks of the whole experience. He has been in trains before, which in China, the train cart, well, I guess everywhere, the train cart comes through back and forth, bringing food and drinks, so he probably will just think we're on a big train, but we'll see how he reacts to his ears, because I have no idea how it's going to impact just like how it feels, since he doesn't have any auditory nerves. So we will see what happens.
Dad likes
Little man, are you reading about airplane safety? Hello, airplane! Yeah, and you have your first chapstick too, because the air on the plane is so dry. Are you excited? You ready? You ready? Yeah? You want to ride the airplane? Yeah? Hey guys! So I hope you guys can hear me. The jet engine's pretty loud. But we're about, I would say, 30 or so minutes into the flight. And the tiny human is completely passed out. I took his device off so he could sleep better. But I'm glad he finally slept, because this poor child has not napped in 4 days. Well, no, that's not true. He napped on the train 2 days ago, but it was for like 10 minutes. So I'm glad he's finally getting some sleep, because he's been like a little monster basically from dinner time onward, because he's just been so tired. Hey again, you guys. So little man is still asleep, but he is refusing to sleep in his chair. As soon as I put him down, he gets upset, so now he's crawled into my lap. But since I'm just sitting here, I know I'm a new mom and everything, but I've helped raise a lot of people's kids. I have a lot of mom friends, and one of the biggest and most valuable pieces of advice that have been given to me ever by some of my mom friends, especially in the moms group, is that when they're about 6 years old, they kind of stop letting you hold them, and they don't let you hold them anymore. So right now I am milking the opportunity to hold my baby, even though he's not that much of a baby. But all the mamas out there, or all the soon-to-be mamas, hold your baby every chance you get, because at a certain age they won't let you hold them anymore. Did you make another lady friend? And just like that, he found love again.
coming into Guangzhou, and we see a bug on the screen.
And we made it. Get your daddy. Go get daddy. His first flight went pretty well. He slept through most of it, but now as you guys can see, he is all spiced up and ready.
Bam, you're in.
Oh my goodness, look at you. You have the slippers on? Go, Daddy. Oh my goodness, look at those feet. And while we're at it being crazy, I'll show you guys the amazing view from our hotel room. Mister, as soon as he saw it, he said, it's like Vegas, but I've never been to Vegas.
Kind of.
Kind of.